Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to connect an external monitor to a Chromebook. So once you have your Chromebook out, all you want to do is make sure that if your Chromebook does not have an HDMI port, make sure that you have a dongle that supports it. So for the purpose of this video, there is a dongle that I'm using that is USB-C. There will be a description of that item in the description if you don't have one for your Chromebook. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the menu button down at the bottom left, the launcher. Once you've clicked this, you're going to head over to settings. Once you're here in the settings tab, you want to head over to the section where it says device. Once you're here, there's going to be a drop down menu that shows all of the devices that can be connected to your Chromebook. We want to head over to displays. Now that you're here, you're going to see the primary display, which is the rectangle with the blue circle around it. The secondary monitor is the vertical one that you see here on the left. Now, the Chromebook being the horizontal one, I can move this either to the right, left, top, or bottom for the purpose of the way that I record my videos and use my secondary monitor. What I do is I just put it to the right hand side. Now, here are some of the options that you have. You can mirror the built-in display, which I don't select. Then you have the both displays down below, the built-in display and the VA2759 FHD, which could change for you depending on the name of your monitor. So if I want to make any changes to the secondary monitor, I'm going to select that, and here is where you have all of the options to exchange or change if you don't like the ones that are preset. So here you have extend display, primary display, so mine's going to be the extended. You could change the display size if you want things to be smaller or larger. For me, I'm going to do small. The resolution, depending on what you have, you might have a 4K or a 1920 by 1080p display. All you have to do is once you've figured out the settings that you want, you head over to the top, and now your secondary monitor should be working properly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.